Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox the Panasonic NC-BG4000 electric thermo pot in beige color. And as far as I understand, at least in Malaysia, the models for this particular model, the color offered is only this beige color. So yeah, so the reason I buy it is because I drink a lot of warm water and then drink a lot of tea, and my previous Xiaomi 2.5 liter instant hot water dispenser died within a year, and then I bought a Hokedt once and then that died within months. So I got fed up and I just thought I just gonna buy a good one, and this is it, the electric thermo pot. So I'm not sure if this is more electric saving than those that provides instant hot water, but yeah, but hopefully this will last a long time, and this comes with 1 year warranty. So I also previously unboxed all those Hokedt and then made some video about what went wrong with the previous water dispenser, so you can check out those videos. So back to this. This is easy to clean, charcoal coated non-stick interior. So it says it's a Japanese premium carbon, Beige, and VIP. So this VIP is something like a coating that allows it to prevent heat from escaping. So in turn, uses less electric and saves electric. So we'll see about that. So the capacity is 4 liter and 700 watt. Let's see, electrical pump with dispensing lock. So it has a lock there. Energy saving UVIP, vacuum insulation panel. So the VIP stands for vacuum insulation panel. So it has a 4 to 10 hours energy saving timer, 360-degree rotating base, boil dry protection, water level indicator, convenient reboil setting. So made in Thailand by Panasonic. So this 360-degree rotating base, I'm curious on that. Let's see when we open it up. Anything else? 4 keep warm temperature selections, the 70 degree, 90, 80, and 98 for making baby formula, Japanese tree, coffee, tea, noodles, and more. And also for slow drip feature for drip, brew, coffee, long boil reduces chlorine in water. Okay. So anything else on the bottom? Put the camera down. Nothing else. So without further ado, let's open it up. Okay, so it's only glued in. Interesting. The box looks a bit bad because of the shipping, but that's fine. There we go. So actually for this model, there's also a 3 liter model called the NC-BG4000. So if you want to get a 3 liter one, you can get that. But this one is 4 liter. So we have these opening instructions and warranties and stuff like that. Pretty thick. Lots of plastic bags. Okay, so this is the wire. We'll set that aside first. And okay, I can see the handle, so I'm just gonna pull it out. Nope, doesn't work that way. Just pull it out there. There we go. A lot of plastic layers. Anything here? Nope. Let's put that aside. I wish it is offered in other colors, but yeah. Let me just take off this plastic. There we go, and then we're left with this. Then let's see. Take that quite well. Yeah. Feels new, yeah? Alright. Okay. And then, so one of the things I'm curious is the 360 degree rotating base. It does look like you can just turn it like that, so there must be something like a rotating base down there. So let me just put it. down and then have a look at it. There's no rubber fit, which hopefully it works. Maybe it just depends on the weight itself, but yeah, this is how it works, the 360 degree. Good to know, good to know. Nozzle here, and then the water level indicator. So 4 liter NC-BG4000. This is the beige color. So yeah, you can just spin it anywhere you want, anyhow you want. So this is the connector here. Lots of stickers saying about everything behind. So 240 volt, 50 Hz, 700 watt. Do not immerse in water. How to detach leads? Pressing lead lever, pull lead diagonally outward. Anything here? Nothing. So do not touch the hot steam vent. It may cause burning injury. So let's see. You have this small screen here. Oh, it also tells you when it's using the VIP keep one. And actually this part is not hard, it's actually a soft plastic, so you might want to keep that in mind. Long boil, reboil, timer, select, also cleaning. Pour out, and then a lock, unlock, slow trip. And then as you can see, here's the temperature indicator and what you can select. Again, I'm really not used to why is this soft. They could have used hard plastic. It just feels weird, you know when the surface looks a bit flexing like that. Now let's open it. And yeah, full metal here. And I have a bit of a menu inside here again. So when scale has expired, clean with citric acid once every 2 to 3 months. Oh, so I actually need to clean it with citric acid 2 to 3 months. And then the mesh filter when hot water does not flow up smoothly. Place of use: mesh filter. Okay, I saw it. Do not place the unit onto a veneer tablecloth or something. Clean the mesh filter with a brush and remove foreign matter. So I think this is a very important piece of information you need to read through too. And as you can see, I can't really show you here, but it's quite a black one. So this is the VIP and some sort of carbon coating, I think, as they marketed. And then looks clean, but I'm gonna give it a quick clean before I start using it. So there's a water indicator level here, maxed out about here. I'm not sure you can see it. And then I really like this rotating base. It's really easy to use. But anyway, back to this. This is, as you can see, there's a piece here. So this is the mesh filter, I believe. And I've just pulled it up. Not sure if I'm supposed to, but yeah, you need to be able to clean it. And I'm just gonna put it back. So I guess this is the locking mechanism, that's all. So it's just need to push it back, like so. And that's about it. So I think you don't see the heating material, probably it's underneath here again. But that's about it. So that's about it, guys. I'm gonna put some water in and then let's see how it works. But I'm gonna give it a clean first. Also, this is the power connected, the camera there. I think it's just standard length. And so this is the connector itself. Looks like the connectors that's used for the power supply to computer and monitor, but I'm not sure if the fuse here is better here, so please don't interchange their wires, Rolex. Yeah. So I have rinsed the inside, and the coating really feels nice and smooth. The quality is there. And then here is the part where you drain it. So they actually label it drain here. There's an imprint here. You can't see, but yeah. I wouldn't say imprint. Maybe the shape is they molded it to so the words come out. Yeah, so this is where you drain it, so indicated by this piece of thinner plastic here also. Yeah, and then overall it feels nice. Now I'm just gonna close this and then connect the power connector. And yeah, one of the things I'm quite worried is it actually slides around pretty easily, as you can see. But the amount of water I put in is about 1.8 liter. So maybe when it's full, it's harder to move around. And then the wire's length, unfortunately, it's not pretty long. It's not long at all. Probably just a meter or 1.5 meter. But it's thick and feels good. Let me just put this in. Right, it's turned on now. So maybe I need to come here. So I'm not sure what it's doing now. So I guess it's saying 25 degree now, perhaps. I'm not quite sure what it's doing, but I do know it's boiling it. And perhaps I want to be able to clean it, so maybe I'll just get a bowl or something. So yeah, I do believe this is the temperature indicator, and then it's currently heating it up. But before that, I just want to try the cleaning, so press 3 seconds. Okay, it's cleaning now. It's pretty quiet even when it heats up, so that's cool, because the ones I use, especially the Hokedt one, can sound a bit loud. The Xiaomi one too sounds loud also. So it says cleaning, but I don't know what it's doing. No water is coming out, but oh. Interesting. I might need to read the manual. So it's not now. But what do you mean by slow drip? It is very strong though. Here's the water indicator, about 2 liters. And so, yeah, I think it's no longer cleaning. So if it cleans, nothing falls out like the others I've used before, but yeah, so now it's just trying to boil it to 90 degrees. Perhaps let me try 80 degrees and you'll see what it do. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. So I guess when it starts boiling, you will turn this off, and then you might use this. This might turn on to try to say that it's saving energy and using the VIP to keep one. And then the timer, 4 hour, 5 hour, things in that. Yeah. Oh. Interesting. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer while I continue to use this. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.